Into that nefarious criminal, the stolen engineer of the Galactic Alliance, the evil Emperor Zurg. The army is stealing the star fusion power cells. The output cells will all be powerless and at the mercy of Zurg. Star Command picked a fine time to send the new recruits. All right, you junior space rangers, listen up. Zurg is using the stolen battery cells to energize his secret weapon. Our mission is to find his robots and his secret weapon and blast them. Green Squadron will retrieve the power cells, while the rest of you concentrate on those robots. You'll rendezvous at Planet Z. I will remain here at Star Command.
Everything you've got. What's around with Star Command, sir?
Curse you, Buzz Lightyear!
Please, please, destroy certain secret weapon.
No! My secret weapon! Please!
You're on the run. Blast him with everything you've got. Star Command.
I am invincible! Do you hear me? Invincible! Not fair! I should be ruling your planet by now! You'll rule your planet! I'm sure Buzz Lightyear!
You have saved our lives. We are literally grateful.
Don't forget to holster those blasters. Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. It's been an honor serving with you.